plus 24 upon 33 into 11 upon, now this square root as a whole. See here, this square root was this one, this full square root it was. Now 121 has come out of this square root, so it has become 11. So this square root will go to the whole denominator now. So it has gone to whole denominator, and this is 145, which was earlier square root of 21025. 145 plus 144. Okay. Now we have to add these two and remaining as they are. So over here also, denominator 99, denominator 33, LCM is 99. So 33 into 3, similarly 24 into 3. So 25 plus 72 upon 99 into 11 upon, this total becomes 289. Now what is the square root of 289? 17. So it becomes 97 upon 99 into 11 upon 17. 11 ones are 11 nines are. Okay. So 17 into 9, 153. 97 upon 153. That is the required answer. Getting it? Practice it yourself. It's easy. Only we need practice. Pause the video wherever you don't understand and then try it yourself. Download YuvaGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. But do it with a discipline. Remember, these squares, cubes and tables are useful for you throughout your life for any competitive exams. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.